Hey, does your LinkedIn SSI score suck? Mine does. According to LinkedIn, I'm pretty much hot garbage. Now, what's an SSI score? It stands for Social Selling Index. If you want to know yours, just Google LinkedIn SSI. LinkedIn will generate it for free, and it basically tells you what it thinks of your profile and your performance on LinkedIn. And as you can see, mine is not so good. And there are three key areas where LinkedIn says I could do a lot better. And the first one is to engage with insights. And if I drill down on that just a little bit more, it says that I need to discover and share conversation-worthy updates to create and grow relationships. And I'm on LinkedIn 5 times a week posting content, and I go back and forth with my colleagues and my clients in the DMs, and I will comment and share on other people's posts 5 times a week, but apparently not good enough for LinkedIn, so I get a low score on that. The one that I really take umbrage to, though, is this one, finding the right people. How dare LinkedIn say that I am not following the right people? It's implying that the people that I'm connected to and the people who are following me are the wrong people. And I am so sorry. I think that's mean. I think that the people who follow me and who are connected to me are the right people. How dare LinkedIn call you the wrong people? And lastly, apparently I'm not very good at building relationships. Apparently I'm supposed to be on LinkedIn way more than 5 times a week, and I am supposed to be only talking to the right people and maybe plaguing them with DMs all the time. Not really sure what that means. And the only place where I'm actually doing really well is by establishing my personal brand. And honestly, it just means that I filled out my LinkedIn profile completely. But I have a, really sad admission to make. I did it while I was drinking. I didn't take it very seriously at all. So if I wanted to improve my SSI score, I imagine what I need to do is be on LinkedIn maybe 30 times a day, drunk post continually, and maybe send a lot of spam messages to CEOs and SVPs and other decision makers. Guess what? Not gonna do it, and it's a reason why I don't take the SSI all that seriously. How about you? What's your take on the SSI? I don't think it's worth very much.